Hello, amazing people. Today we'll be looking into sion and tion words, and for the sound and shen. We have words like vision, mission, decision, division, discussion, obsession, I did not say obsession, confession, confession, depression, depression, expression, expression. I did not say expression, expression. We have more words like action, education, education. I did not say education, education, station, salvation, salvation, relaxation, relaxation, and okay, concentration, 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 celebration, okay, conversation, okay. So these are some of the tion words, sion and tion words that we have. You can, if you notice, you would see that I didn't read any of the word as shun, because that is a very wrong way to read those words. When you have sion and tion, you read it as shen, shen. Whenever you come across words with sion and tion, please make effort not to pronounce it as shun. Make effort not to pronounce it as shun. Okay, the best way to be better is by taking to little corrections. Correction. You would notice that I did not say correction. So it is correction. Okay, education, matriculation, suggestion, shen. All right, I am Mrs. Michael. Do well to subscribe to Felicia and Michael YouTube channel for daily class video. Have a happy weekend. I love you.